An attorney's duty of loyalty to a client imposes the obligation to avoid material conflicts of interest. Attorneys can pay dearly for breaching this duty, as seen in Sheppard, Mullin, Richter Hampton versus JM Manufacturing Company. Starting in 2002, the law firm of Sheppard, Mullin, Richter Hampton, which we'll refer to as Sheppard, did occasional work for the South Tahoe Public Utility District, which we'll call South Tahoe. In 2006, many public parties, including South Tahoe, joined in a qui tam lawsuit against JM Manufacturing Company, seeking over $1 billion in damages. JM eventually hired Sheppard to defend it. Over 16 months, Sheppard did roughly 10,000 hours of work in the case, for which it billed nearly $3.8 million. Sheppard's representation agreements with both South Tahoe and JM contained advanced conflict waivers. The waivers permitted Sheppard to represent parties with opposing interests to those of each client, provided the respective client's matters were unrelated and Sheppard maintained each client's confidentiality. Here, though aware of the conflict between JM and South Tahoe, Sheppard didn't obtain either client's specific consent to represent the other, nor did Sheppard disclose to either client its work for the other until at least 2011. Further, Sheppard worked for South Tahoe while representing JM, again without disclosure. Day Pitney, South Tahoe's law firm in the qui tam suit, successfully moved to disqualify Sheppard as JM's counsel. Afterward, JM asserted that, due to conflicts of interest, it owed Sheppard no fees. Sheppard disagreed and sued JM in California State Court for unpaid fees. JM counterclaimed for, among other things, a return of fees paid. The trial court sent the matter to arbitration per the parties' representation agreement. The arbitrators awarded Sheppard unpaid legal fees with interest. The trial court affirmed the award and JM appealed to the California Court of Appeal.